a really cost-effective measure as well. And if, like me, you just don't have access to a charging point on a regular basis to keep your car in good condition, then it's a great solution. So assuming you've got a garage with a power point in it, and you can get a C-Tech or similar battery charger, then you're going to need to know where your batteries are. And there's a few other items that you need to be aware of too. So the batteries are stored in the boot compartment. There's a main system battery on the left and a starter motor battery on the right. The reason they went for two batteries when they were designing this car is because they knew about the heavy load it was going to be under and the likelihood of something going wrong and one of the batteries flattening. So because the Bentley was such a complicated electronic marvel, they knew that they were going to have a backup battery, so they put two in. One covers all of the main systems on the car, all of the electric windows, seats, the motors, the modules, the ignition control, the fuel pumps, everything is on the left hand side. In the right hand side compartment, you've got a smaller starter battery which just powers the starter motor.